Welcome to my channel. In the tutorial, we'll be learning how to create a dynamic background with texture for a happy birthday design. Okay, so exactly what is on the screen, you are going to design the same with me. All right, so let me remove this and start from scratch. All right, the first stage is to use the default background. All right, and you size your design. You need to size your design. You click on that point and says image size. Then we can say 2 by 3, 2 by 3 feet or inches. All right, so this is what we'll be using. Okay, now you click on the plus sign, then click from gallery. Okay, here we have the object I want to use as my background. So you download it from the video description. All right, so I'm going to lock my background. You lock it. All right, I have to also add a shape, add a shape and color the shape with red background. You tick good. Okay, now that I've added the red background, we need to work on this red background by making it transparent. Okay, I have to make it transparent. Here is opacity, so you have to reduce opacity. All right, so that is all. Now you tick good. Now it's time for us to upload the image. You click on the plus sign, you tap on from gallery, then you search the location of your image, which is on download. Okay, here I have the image I want to use. Here's the image. Okay, here is the image. All right, you tick good. Okay, this is the image. You can increase size. All right, this is what I have. Then all you need to do is to lock, go to a layer. This is called layer, and lock it. Always lock your background and layer so that it will not be distorted. All right, so we have to add the shape that has a transparent or gradient background. So you click a shape. All right, so this is what I have. So I have to add a gradient. You tap on the gradient. So this is the gradient I'm using. Okay, you can do this by, you can manipulate the gradient by click on the plus sign. You can see what I have here. This side is transparent, the other end has a color. Okay, then you tick good. All right, so now we can also go back and color the background again. You click on color, you tick good. Now you highlight the color we have, you tick good. Okay, this is what we have. So you have to rotate the object. Okay, okay, so this is what we have. So you need to go and click on your layer and lock it again. All right, so that it will not be distorted. Okay, so the next thing we do now is to import our happy birthday. Import our happy birthday. All right, this is our happy birthday. You can use the eraser. You use the eraser to clean the parts you don't want. Okay, you tick good. So here is our happy birthday. You can reduce it. All right, so this is our happy birthday. The next is to add a dotted text. You can change the color to white. change the color to white and tick good. Now you double click on it, delete it and type dot. Put a dotted line. They put a dotted line. 1 2 3 4 5. See, 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Good. Okay, it's too good. Now we need to use our spacing. Use our spacing to reduce it and take good. Now you can also go and bold the shape, alright, so that it will come out well. Now we can also decide to add more. Okay, this is what we have. Now time for us to duplicate these dotted circles. We look for our copy. You copy and move it to the position you want, and make sure you maintain alignment. Then we bring up another shape. Okay, it is good. Now you duplicate the shape again by copying. Now the one you have copied, you can change the background to red. It is good. Okay, now you can reduce the size. Okay, use your position tools to move the object to the right position. Okay, this is what I have. So I cannot add the dates. I can add today's date. Which is 11. Okay, you can give it a color. Of black, since the background is white. So that is about color theory. It is good. So use your position tool to move it. You move it. You can reduce the size. Okay, to 36. You do the same thing by duplicating. You copy and move it. Use the position tools to move the object, the text, to the red background. Okay, so you can now edit the text and input the month. This is March. Alright, you can decide to make a capital letter by tapping on the double T and say OK. Alright, so you can rotate it. You can as well reduce the size so it will enter. Mark good. Use position 2 to move the. Okay, now we can change the color of the text to white. Okay, change it to white and bold. We need to apply bold. Go to style and click on bold. You can as well reduce the size a little. Okay, this okay. Alright, so this is exactly how to create a dynamic